Hi, my name is Mike. I'm with Legacy Plumbing. We're going to talk about how to light a fireplace today. So first thing we're going to do is open the doors. And at the top inside the fireplace is your vent, your flue. Pulling down on it closes the flue. Pushing up on it opens the flue. Different styles of fireplace, they may be a little bit different on how they open and close. You just want to make sure it's open so that your exhaust is going out. Then we're going to get the key to turn on the fireplace. The valve that supplies the gas to the fireplace could be located in several areas around the fireplace. Could be in the brick, could be to the left, could be to the right. Could be behind a little panel. The keys for the fireplace, pretty much all the same. Some are a little longer, some are a little shorter, but they all have the same kind of insert for the valve. Then what we're going to do is put your key in the valve and turn it on about halfway. Within 10 or 15 seconds, with the log starter, you're going to light the fireplace. That's how you light a fireplace. To turn it off, you're just going to take those steps backwards, put your key back in, turn your gas off, wait for your fire to go out, and that's it.